We're gonna give you the nuts and bolts. We're gonna give you everything from A to Z. So when you start, you may be someone that has no knowledge of anything online. You may have no knowledge of email marketing. You may have no knowledge of, even from the very beginning, the basics of creating your brand, of niches to riches, and what does that even mean, and how do I create that niche, and what's my audience, and who should it be, who are my buyers. So we're gonna get that very specific for all of you to help you to go from A to Z. Then we're gonna go through social media, which platforms to use, how to best utilize them, everything from that to ads, to even more automation specifically with social selling and outsourcing to help take your business to the next level, or even to launch your business, because some of you don't have a ton of resources and you're thinking, well, I'm not sure if I should invest. For those of you that are looking at this and, I don't know if I have it in me to invest. I'm gonna tell you right now, I've spent hundreds of thousands of dollars of trial and error to gain this information that you're getting for the fraction of the investment. You're going to have so much content from myself and all the other trainers compressing that learning curve to help you to have more success much quicker. We don't give guarantees. Each person's a little bit different on what they do and how they execute and what their background is, but I can tell you it will help you out tremendously in your business to have much better results. If you're thinking about investing and you're still on the fence and you're not sure, I'm gonna tell you, do it. Jump in with both feet, and I will see you in class.